Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hack Wi-Fi password. This is very easy and simple step that you can hack any password, any Wi-Fi password. So here you can see that I am not connected with any Wi-Fi network, and there you can see that this is yeah, you can see that I am not connected to any Wi-Fi network. That's why it show error. Here we can see. So what can you do for that? Any Wi-Fi network password. First of all, you have to press on the Windows button key. Here you can see that Windows button key, and that you have to type on CMD. Here you can see the mouse right button and run as administrator, and click here on yes. Then you can see these types of page, and you have to write here nets well and show profiles. Yes, right there. And those are available Wi-Fi network in my area, so I can so I want to hack this my first area, that means sites at the cabinet Wi-Fi. So you can now you can press Ctrl plus C, then you have to copy the name, you have to copy that name, and then you have to write again net well and show profile name equals double quotation, and paste the name Wi-Fi area name and key equals to clear, and boom, you can see the wireless LAN sites cabinet at the rate of Wi-Fi, and this is the password of this network. Then you have to copy the network password and go to the Wi-Fi icon button, and here you can see that the sites at the rate of cabinet Wi-Fi. Then you have to paste the password ctrl plus v, and next. Here you can see that now I am connected with sites at the rate of cabinet Wi-Fi. I have to prove you, and here you can see that this is loading. Okay, fine. This way you can hack any Wi-Fi area network password. So that's all the tutorial. If you face any problem, you can comment us for help. Thank you everyone.